Today, I'll walk you through how to set up recurring tasks on Monday.com, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to automate your task management so you can save time and stay organized. To get started, head over to your Monday.com workspace. You can do this by navigating to workspace 822433.monday.com. Once you're there, locate your test project board. This is where we will create our recurring tasks, just like setting a reminder on your phone, but for your projects. Now, click on the Create from Scratch button. This option allows you to build your automation from the ground up, giving you complete control over how your tasks will recur. Think of it as customizing your own recipe. Next, select when this happens. This is where you will define the trigger for your recurring task. It's similar to setting a timer. You want to specify when the task should activate. Now type in and choose the parameter. For this example, we will select every time period. This option allows you to set how often the task should repeat, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, just like scheduling a weekly meeting. After that, click on Create Item. This is where you will define what the recurring task will be. It's like naming a new project. You want it to be clear and concise. Next, click on the time period to edit it. Here you can specify the exact duration for your recurring task. This is crucial for ensuring that your tasks align with your workflow, just like setting the right duration for a workout session. Then click on Specify the desired time period. This step allows you to fine-tune the frequency of your task, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your schedule. Now click on an item to select what you want to automate. This could be any task that you want to recur. Think of it as choosing a favorite dish to have on repeat. Next, click on Choose Group. This is where you will categorize your task, helping you keep everything organized. It's like sorting your laundry into different colors. Now, select To Do to designate the task group. This helps you keep track of what needs to be done, just like having a checklist for your grocery shopping. After that, click on a name for your task. This is where you give your recurring task a title that makes sense to you, just like naming your favorite playlist. Then click on No Options Available. This might seem odd, but it's part of the process to ensure you can customize your task fully. Next, type in highlight or any other relevant keyword that will help you identify this task later. This is similar to tagging a photo on social media for easy searching. Now add on other parameters as needed. This step allows you to customize your task further, ensuring it meets all your requirements. Finally, click on Create Automation. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Your recurring task will now be set up. Once created, you can find it under the Manage option. This allows you to review and adjust your tasks as necessary, ensuring everything runs smoothly. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.